Today, we're diving into a question I get asked a lot. Can you change currency on YNAB? Let's find out. Imagine this. You're tracking your finances in YNAB, everything's going great, and then life happens. You move to a new country, your business starts dealing in a different currency, or maybe you just want to see how your budget looks in a different monetary unit. Can YNAB handle this change? Before we jump into the answer, let's quickly recap what YNAB is for those who might be new. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a budgeting tool designed to help you take control of your finances. It uses a zero-based budgeting method, which means every dollar you earn is allocated to a specific category. Answering the question. So, can you change currency on YNAB? The short answer is the kind of. The limitations. While YNAB doesn't have a built-in feature to seamlessly switch currencies, there are a few ways you can approach this. Create a new budget. This is the most straightforward but also the most time-consuming option. You can create a new budget in the desired currency and manually transfer your categories, transactions, and balances from your old budget. This is a good option if you're making a permanent switch. Use a currency converter. You can use a currency converter to manually convert your transactions and balances in YNAB. This is a more flexible option, as you can convert between currencies whenever you need to. However, it requires more manual effort and can be prone to errors. Consider third-party integrations. While not officially supported by YNAB, there might be third-party tools or integrations that can help you with currency conversion. Do your research to see if any options are available. Additional tips. Back up your data. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to back up your YNAB data to avoid losing any important information. Double-check your calculations. When manually converting currencies, double-check your calculations to ensure accuracy. Consider the impact on reporting. Changing currencies can affect your reports and analytics. Make sure you understand how this will impact your budgeting and financial tracking. While YNAB doesn't have a native currency switching feature, there are workarounds that can help you manage your finances in different currencies. The best approach depends on your specific needs and preferences. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.